Guess what? In today's video, I'm going to be giving us access on how to get 100 gigabytes of free video editing resources. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, it doesn't matter. Whether you are using an app or a software, this free video editing resources is both needed for any software or application you are using. And these are some of the things you are going to be getting in this 100 gigabytes of video editing resources. You are going to be getting access to hundreds of animated icons, motion graphic background videos, these popular trending vector characters, lots that you can use to color grade your videos, a lot of presets that you can use both on Adobe Premiere Pro or After Effects or any of your video editing software, either on mobile or on PC. So if you have watched this part, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more video editing tips, thumbnail tips, and a lot more. And to get access to the video editing resources, check the link below because the link to the resources will be in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much.